In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up your WordPress site using object caching with Redis or Memcached. This method can significantly reduce load times and improve overall website performance. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, open Plugins and click Add New. This is where you'll install a plugin that enables object caching. In the search bar, look for an object caching plugin that supports Redis or Memcached. Popular options include Redis Object Cache, W3 Total Cache, or Lightspeed Cache. Choose the plugin that best matches your hosting setup. For this tutorial, we'll use Redis Object Cache. Click Install now, then activate once the plugin is installed. After activation, new settings will appear in your dashboard. Next, go to Settings and open Redis. Inside the Redis settings page, you will see an option to enable object caching. Click the Enable button. If everything is configured correctly on your server, the status will change to active, confirming that Redis is now connected. Once enabled, WordPress will store frequently used database queries in memory. This reduces server load, speeds up page delivery, and creates a smoother experience for visitors. After setting this up, it's a good idea to test your site speed using performance tools to see the improvement. If you encounter any issues, review the plugin documentation or contact your hosting provider. That's it, you've successfully enabled object caching and taken a big step toward a faster, more efficient WordPress website. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more WordPress performance tips.